You yourself say fraudulently transferred.
No, what we are saying that
Yes.
fraudulently transferred means due to downloading of mobile app, the amount was transferred.
Okay.
And there was negligence on the part of the respondent.
Amount
was
has
the-
been fraudulently transferred. You please return the amount or retrieve the amount. Bank was totally silent on
Silent on that. That's negligence on your part. He has made a complaint instantly. What have you done? All right.
On
What is your
18/10/2021, the respondent number one has downloaded mobile app. And due to downloading of the mobile app, an amount of rupees 94,204
Yes.
was fraudulently transferred in the account of the respondent number 4.
Yes. So if that fact is admitted, that is lack of service on part of the bank.
No, there is no lack of.
You yourself say fraudulently transferred.
No, what we are saying that
Yes.
fraudulently transferred means due to downloading of mobile app, the amount was transferred.
Okay.
And there was negligence on the part of the respondent.
When was the information given to the customer care?
On the immediately and after that,
See,
bank
the
has
credit card transfers, they don't get approved immediately. There's a time limit. Whereafter the credit card transfers, operations are completed. So if the client has informed the bank immediately, it's the bank's duty to ensure that the transaction is not passed on.
my lord, after a successful completion of OTP, the amount was transferred. OTP is in the record and the amount was transferred through two modes. One is UPI and second was payment gateway.
Okay.
For UPI, bank has got no control. And for payment gateway, the bank has sent OTP. The bank has cautioned not share it to the third party. And only after OTP, the amount was transferred. It is on the record, Your Lordship.
Read page 76, RBI guidelines.
Mr. Parvez, kindly tell us one thing. When did the money go away from you? When did you release that amount? You don't release the amount immediately.
Immediately after OTP. OTP was issued to them. When he put the OTP, the amount was transferred.
But here there is normally when it happens, if it is an interbank transfer, just for example by net banking or any other mode, if I transfer it, it is automatically or immediately it is not transferred to the merchant bankers. It takes some time, and for which the state bank normally issues a particular SMS that did you do it by yourself?
My lord, I will come to page 104 of my appeal.
104.
104.
Yes.
It is OTP log. And this is the type copy. In the next page, the OTP log. Originated SBI Capital delivered at 14:48 minutes and transaction was carried on 14:48. Immediately. It is in the record.
And what happened to the next message? After this, you normally issue another message.
No, this is the final.
After the OTP, you don't. Mr. Bhumik?
I haven't received any message, Lord.
Now, thereafter, after the OTP,
Yes.
isn't there a message by which your account is debited?
Yes, that message comes.
Yes. Had it come?
No, I haven't received any message.
Oh, my lord, this is their case
The
that
bank on their own volition, they blocked my card and informed me that your account has been hacked. So I immediately called them up and said that last 3 transactions I have not done. You please cancel it. And thereafter on 18/10 this took place. On 18/10 itself I lodged an FIR with the police. Also complained 3 numbers of complaint with the state CID. And on 18/10 bank was closed. On 19/10 I lodged a written complaint saying that this has happened. So please cancel these transactions. They did nothing, Your Lord.
What has happened in your criminal case? Whether the respondent number 4 has been traced out?
Nothing, Lord. The police has done nothing. There's a finding of the single judge to that effect.
respondent number 4 is traced out.
Trickster.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
know that is happening rampantly.
And what my learned
Yes, Mr. Parvez.
and what my learned friend is stating is beyond record also. Page number 70, FIR filed by him before the police. Mary.
Yes.
With due regards, I beg to state that I have been defrauded by a person using phone number so and so, portraying themselves to be customer care executive of Louis Philippe in the process of giving me a refund for a blazer which I wish to return pursuant to an online purchase. The first transaction was with one Mukesh Kumar for rupees 64,017 through Google Pay.
Is there anyone appearing for Louis Philippe?
Louis Philippe was a party in the
Yes,
petition.
yes.
In appeal, have you made him a party?
Yes.
Yes, sir. All were made party. Notices were sent to them and they have not against.
Service as regards the respondent number 3, that is Louis Philippe, is complete.
Mr. Bhawmik, the finding of the single judge is that the database of the respondent number 3 was hacked
Yeah.
and the customer details were stolen.
Yeah.
In that event, how the bank is responsible?
Bank is responsible because they failed to act on my complaint.
For UPI transaction, they are not responsible at all.
Lordship will kindly
It is
see.
an instant transfer.
Lordship will kindly see.
Yes.
On 18/10/21, the fraud took place.
Yes.
That day itself, I lost the complaint. They did not do anything. They very well knew that the money has gone to the account of the respondent number 4.
Mm.
And the beneficiary bank, that is Federal Bank, they have stated that there was no chargeback request. Lordship will kindly see page 106, second paragraph, Lordship.
Yes.
We have, last line,
Mm.
we have not received any chargeback request against the above mentioned transactions from the remitter bank, SBI, through NPCI or mail. So that was the least expected on the part of SBI. To say that the amount has been fraudulently transferred, you please return the amount or retrieve the amount. Bank was totally silent on
Silent on that. That's negligence on your part. He has made a complaint instantly. What have you done? All right. What is your response?
We have immediately blocked the card.
Oh, blocking the card is not enough, sir. It
Yeah.
can't be.
We have immediately blocked the card and your lordship.
Did you block the card on his request?
No, they did it on their own volition.
Yes,
Why?
at his request, my lord. At his request.
On
When
their own
he has
volition,
given
yeah.
complaint that on online, immediately card was blocked and it is in the record. And it is stated in his writ petition also.
Hmm.
In my writ petition, I have stated the bank had blocked my card on their own volition.
Yes,
Also, we
naturally,
can
after receiving complaint, we have blocked it.
No. On your own volition, you have done it.
Yes,
Prior
naturally.
to that.
Yes,
You-
we
you-
have blocked it.
Let's read the
Yes.
petition then.
Yes.
Read. Where is it, Mr. Bhawmik?
Yes, I'm coming to it, Lord.
The RBI did not respond. RBI didn't file any reply,
No,
affidavit.
no.
My lord, this writ petition was filed against order passed by the RBI.
Yes. So RBI was a party.
Yes.
RBI
did not
was a
respond.
part. They have not filed any.
So then
response.
then his allegation averments go unopposed.
Even in this writ appeal, they are a party. They have not appealed.
And RBI response was that there was negligence on the part of the respondent in sharing the OTP. And regarding UPI, it was the finding of the RBI that without MPIN, transaction cannot be successful. And MPIN has got no control of bank.
Lordship will kindly see.
It
Yes,
is an
my
independent act.
In fact, David, Lordship, page 50, paragraph 12.
Yes.
Should I read the entire paragraph?
Just follow. Let's get. Yes.
That the petitioner respectfully states that when the electronic mail dated 24/2/2022 from the office of the respondent number 2 was forwarded to the petitioner on 25/2/2002 and his comments were short for, the petitioner furnished the same on 26/2/2022, wherein referring to clause 10(2) of RBI circular number so and so, dated 6/7/2017, the petitioner stated that where the bank is unable to resolve the complaint.
So Bhawmik,
Yes.
one part of your transaction was through Google Pay.
Yes.
On that, what the bank has to do?
No, the bank could have very well cancelled the transaction.
No. That's not acceptable.
Bank
And they
would
have an
cancelled the
arguable case that we can say.
Oh, at
Case
least-
is arguable.
At least the bank would have made a chargeback request to the remitter bank saying that this amount has been
How
transferred.
could they
fraudulently.
know? Where is your complaint? Let us see. Where is your complaint of 18 January?
Yes.
Where is it? 18 January or October? What is it?
It is a 1910 to the bank. Because
You said that you made a complaint on the same day.
that is to the
Where is that
customer
complaint?
care. Customer
Where
care.
is that complaint? Let's see.
And 1910, I made a written
Oh, gentlemen, where is the complaint?
Which one? The written complaint.
Both. Yes.
The customer care, I have given the numbers because
What did you
that
state?
is through mobile phone.
So customer care would be relevant only for credit card. For a Google Pay, How they would know what transaction you entered into?
They could have blocked their account, Lordship. Immediately I called customer care.
Oh, gentlemen, would they know that the amount has been transferred to Federal Bank? How, what means did they have to do that?
They knew because from the account details it appears that amount has gone to Federal Bank. They very well knew. On 18th,
Okay, let's see your complaint.
yes, Lordship will kindly see page 67 annexure 2.
That, to that extent, the negligence is there.
In reference
Yes.
to the above, this is to state that I have been defrauded by a person using phone number so and so, portraying himself to be a customer care executive of Blue Philip, an online garment seller, in the process of giving me a refund for a blazer, which I wish to return pursuant to an online purchase. I downloaded the app as per instructions received from the fraudsters. The total amount withdrawn from my account is so and so in 3 transactions. I therefore request you to take necessary action and help me retrieve the amount. I have lodged an FIR at Jalukbari police station on so and so.
Where you said that, where have you said that you made a complaint immediately on 1810? This complaint is silent about your complaint through customer care.
But I have given the customer care help numbers also by which my complaint was acknowledged by the bank.
Where is that?
In my writ petition statements are there.
Hmm.
Lordship will kindly see.
Hmm.
Lordship, this paragraph itself,
Hmm.
page 12, paragraph 12, page 15. Lordship will kindly see my statement. In fact,
Mr. Mohammed, the matter requires consideration. It's not so straightforward as it appears.
Lordship,
We'll have to admit we need the response of RBI. That's essential. And as they have not appeared, we'll again have to issue notice after admitting the appeal.
Lordship wanted to see the statement which I have made. That is there, Lordship.
So we'll see.
Understood, Mr. Bhumik, but here it involves a larger question also. This is a very important aspect as to whether when it is done through the UPI, whether I think the RBI would be the best person to say. So I think we should admit it.
Lordship, that apart, there is also gross deficiency of service on the part of the bank.
Those aspects.
For
will
that,
look
you could approach the consumer forum, not the red court. That was the appropriate forum then. Straightforward answer to your submission.
And Lordship, the most important thing is that I have made a complaint. They could have at least made a request to the remitter bank.
That's again negligence or non-performance of service.
That is on the
Lack of service.
Lordship, that is gross deficiency in service.
Also,
on the part of
deficiency
the
in
bank.
service, go to the consumer forum. We'll give you liberty, despite pendency of this writ appeal.
Lordship, it is the RBI who ought to have acted upon my complaint. The
That's
banking
right.
ombudsman. They have not done it.
So that's why
against
we
the-
need
So
the
against
response of the RBI.
So against the
All right, admit issue notice.